everyone, hello everyone, and how are you today? Hello everyone, and how are you today? Can you please leave me a comment and tell me how you're feeling today? Now let's do the days of the week song. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days a week. And today is Tuesday. As we'd say at our nursery, it's Thinking Tuesday or Terrific Tuesday. What is the weather today? What is the weather today? Oh, rainy and cold, that is the weather today. It's a bit rainy, a bit cold, you've got to put on your wellies if you're going out to splosh in the puddles. Make sure you have on a raincoat. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make the shakers that we can use for all of our videos. So, it's really, really simple. All you will need is some rice or some pasta in a container, and you have to put the rice and pasta into the container. Maybe ask your mums and dads for some help with this because it might be a little bit tricky with all the small rice grains. And then make sure the lid is securely on. If you want to put some tape on it, make sure you tape it up nicely and you can give it a shake. And you can shake it along to all around music. You can decorate it, you can put some string, put some glue, put some paint, anything you want, but make sure you leave me a comment so I can see what it looks like. And next time we'll be singing another one of our nursery rhymes. So send me a picture and let me see what it looks like. And I will see you soon. Okay, thank you, bye.